Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are tuning in from tonight. Grace here again from Ontario, Canada. And I am the owner of this business page, Mary Grace Nickdow. Today, I am so excited, guys, to introduce to you my very beautiful friend from the business, Joyce from Ontario, and she will be with us today to share a little bit about herself and her journey in our digital business. And she is also a stay at home mom. Thank you very much for coming here today, live, Sis Joyce. And yeah, without further ado, please help me introduce yourself, Sis.
Hello, everyone watching us live and on the replay later. I'm Joyce Mago, as I'm also from the Philippines, like like Coach Grace. And thank you so much for inviting me here on this interview. A little bit about myself. I was a call center agent in the Philippines, and then after that, I got a job in Abu Dhabi as a flight attendant, and then I had to migrate to Canada. So I went back to school, became a licensed practical nurse, and then after that, I went back to school again and became an administrative assistant. After working a little bit, I got pregnant, and since then I haven't gotten back to work. So I've been a stay-at-home mom, and I have two girls. And now I'm a bit I'm a digital business owner. Ano, Taglish ba
Oh,
tayo?
Tagish tayo, sis,
Sige,
kasi mga
Taglish.
Pinoy naman tayo eh.
Sige.
Thank you, sis. Wow, ang dami mo palang sis, mga shifting-shifting na
Halo-halo. Ay,
halo-halo. Wow, so proud of you, sis. At ngayon, you are a full-time digital business owner and yeah, you are full-time din sa mga anak mo, 'di ba? That's the best super rewarding job na natin na ma-experience. Yeah, thank you, sis. And yeah, since marami ka nang napagdaanan ng mga trabaho, sis, and then you found out about this job, and naging practical nurse ka din, di ba? So, paano mo ito na-discover and why did you decide naman to jump into this digital business?
Kasi ganito, 'di ba, pag isa lang yung breadwinner or isa lang yung nag-earn sa family, minsan kasi may imbalance na nangyayari sa relationship. So I think yun yung isang nag-motivate sa akin na parang I think I would feel more free kung meron akong sariling pera, 'di ba? Yung hindi na talaga totally nakaasa financially, saka iba yung pakiramdam na nakakapag-contribute financially sa sa household. Tapos syempre parang gusto ko rin na good example sa dalawa kong anak. Para at the same time, kung magtatrabaho ako, ilalagay ko sila sa daycare. Ang mahal ng daycare, di ba? So, mabuti't nahanap ko to. Although hindi ako naghahanap ng business nung umpisa, akala ko parang work from home na type, di ba? Pero mas maganda pala ang business kasi yung potential mo, unlimited. Kaya yun, um, nung nakapasok ako nung nakita ko yung community, na-realize ko na ang laki ng potential, maraming pwedeng matulungan ng tao. And so I
Yes.
think yun yung missing sa mga previous career ko na parang hindi siya kasing fulfilling ito kasi ito marami ka talagang matutulungan. So, yeah.
Wow. I can totally relate with you, sis. Kasi nga, when I started the business also, naka-maternity leave ako. And yun din yung naisip ko, mag-work ako sa labas and then yung sweldo ko, I will also just pay in the, di ba, the
Oo.
daycare. Parang,
Mm-mm.
it doesn't make any sense. So, yun din yung nangyari sa akin. Good thing that I found this business. Napaka-blessing sa family namin. I've been with my daughter, 4 years akong
Wow.
stay home, right? And then, napaka-fulfilling talaga. And I know, you know how it feels na ikaw mismo yung nag-aalaga sa anak mo.
Mhm.
Hindi siya iiyak ng, Mama, Mama, don't leave. Like, yung nakahawak sa paa. Walang mga
Oh,
ganon. Kasi,
hindi mo hindi priceless yun, 'di ba?
yes,
Priceless talaga siya.
exactly, sis. As
Mhm.
in, hindi mababayaran ng pera. And the
Yun.
bond talaga is iba. Iba
Mhm.
yung bond nyo sa mother-daughter relationship, right? Thank you so
Yeah.
much for that, sis. And I know maraming makaka-relate dito na mga nanay. Yes. So, since you started the businesses, may mga changes ba na nangyari sa life mo, sa day-to-day life mo? Yeah, can you please share a little bit?
Yeah, for sure. So almost 2 years na ako sa business actually, and I'm proud to say na marami akong mga skills na natutunan. Katulad ng soft skills at saka social skills kasi parati lang ako nasa bahay dati, hindi ako masyadong kumakausap ng tao, ang kausap ko lang yung kids, 'di ba? So dahil sa business na 'to, mas less introverted na, tsaka
Mm.
nagde-develop ng confidence. Katulad nito, hindi naman natin ma-imagine na nasa video tayo noon talagang sabi ko, imposible, imposible. Pero ngayon, dahil nga gusto natin ipakita at i-share itong business na 'to, kaya tayo papakita ng ating sariling mukha, ang ating buhay sa ating mga page dahil gusto nga natin ma-attract yung mga tamang tao na magiging business partner natin. So yun ang isang actually maraming change yun. More confidence sa sarili, pagiging less introverted, pagkakaroon ng mas magandang time management. Kasi ngayon kailangan i-juggle yung kids, yung bahay, yung asawa, yung business. So, kailangan talaga marunong mag-prioritize. So, hindi ako gano'n dati mag-isip. Dati parang kahit ano lang, bara-bara, 'di ba? Ngayon, mas organized na. Tsaka, most of all, I think, proud ako dahil mas alam ko na yung purpose ko ngayon. Kumbaga dati hindi ko alam kung ano ba yung gusto ko maging 'pag tanda ko, alam mo, 'di ba? When you grow up, what do you wanna be? At least ngayon mas malinaw na sa isip ko ano ba talaga yung passion ko, which is nga to help others. So, ayun, nakaka-fulfill siya. So, I'm very happy na nahanap ko 'tong business.
Wow. Totoo talaga yan sis, no? Yung lalabas ka talaga sa comfort zone mo. Kasi naman, I've never in my life imagine na ganito ako yung mag-interview,
Yeah, oh my gosh, yeah.
naka-live, di ba? Kasi sinasabi nila, I don't wanna do that business kasi ayokong gawin yan.
Mhm.
When we started, we also thought that, right? But
Yeah,
alam mo kasi, sa willingness natin na mag-grow, na to learn something, and to
that's
help others also. Kasi kung hindi naman tayo magpapakita ng ating mga muka, how can we help others, right? So, because since this is a blessing for us, we look at this, we also want to share the blessings, right? So,
exactly,
yun ang
yeah.
kagandahan kasi kung alam mo, yung comfort zone daw, yun
Mm,
talaga yung killer ng dreams natin. 'Di ba, kampante na
100%.
lang tayo sa
Yeah.
ating life, yung flow ng work, go
Mhm.
home, feed our kids, blah blah blah, then pick up them from school. Parang autopilot na ba? Parang
Yep,
naging ganon.
yep.
So,
Mhm.
since dahil sa business na ito, nag-iba yung mindset natin, right?
Exactly,
Mm.
exactly. And I wanted to add on that, yung ating wealth consciousness talagang nag-expand. 'Pag kasama
Yes.
mo, ka-hangout mo mga bilyonaryong tao, ma-absorb mo yung energy na yun na parang, "Oh my gosh, so much is available for us." 'Di ba?
Mm.
Hindi yung porke yumayaman yung isa, eh, hihirap na yung isa, hindi. There's so much to go around for everyone. So yun din, na isang napakagandang epekto kapag kasama mo sa community yung mga tao na high vibe, 'di ba? Mga
Mm.
growth mindset, mga
Yes.
tao na goal-oriented. So, parang natutulak ka na rin pataas. So, yeah.
Exactly, sis. Kasi alam mo din ako, sis, before I started this business, yung pinapanood ko dati yung mga teleserye sa Pilipinas, mga mga ganon, di ba? Na-entertain
Mm,
tayo.
correct.
Since
Mhm,
I started the business, wala na akong napanood
mm.
na kahit isang teleserye. Kasi nga, I changed my mindset.
Yeah.
Yung time ko, pinapanood ko na lang ng yung sa YouTube yung mga influencer, I mean yung mga inspirational
Oo, mga
message, mga
mga
ganun, mga
podcast.
business.
Mhm.
Yes, mga
Same,
podcast,
yeah.
yung basta marami yung alam ko na it will educate me, not entertain me anymore. Kasi yung dati, I am looking to entertain me, right? I'm watching something to entertain myself. But ngayon, I am watching this because this is educating me. So, ganun na yung mindset. So, yeah, thank you so much, sis. You wanna add something?
Oh, no, I'm just saying
Oh,
na yung ano, yung paggo-go live na 'to, hindi naman siya requirement sa mga
mm,
nanonood. Kung takot kayo na mag-go live, hindi naman po siya
yes.
requirement. We're just saying na isa lang siyang paraan para makapag-reach ng wider audience. That's why we do
Mm,
this go lives. Pero huwag kayong matakot, it's all step by step. Lahat po yan covered sa training, and huwag
mm,
kayong mag-alala dahil kaya nga kami nandito kasi kami may mga mentor na tutulong sa
yes.
inyo. So,
100%. Before, I don't even know what StreamYard. Now, I am
oh yeah,
expert. I should say I'm expert.
yes,
I'm expert at Facebook ads, YouTube ads, right? Google ads.
amazing.
So, we've learned a lot from that in our training, and it's free. We never
Yun
paid
nga,
anything.
hindi ako makapaniwala. Ang mahal ng mga course
Exactly.
na yan, $1,000 yung course na yan kapag
Yes.
kinuha mo sa ibang,
Pinakamura na yung 10,000 sis in just one course.
exactly.
Right?
Kasi it's the world is changing eh. So kung
Mm.
gusto nyong makisali sa ga-
Sa flow.
sa flow, ito yung isang magandang opportunity na pwede nyong i-check out.
All in one na, right? Thank you so much, sis. And for those of you who want to check our business opportunity, just feel free to register your name and email on our website. It's either my website or Joy's website, whoever you want to. And also, we have a free live info session every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So, mamili lang kayo kung saan kayo available. And if you won't be able to watch the live, there's always a replay will be sent to your email, the link. Okay, guys? So, thank you so much, sis, for sharing your story, your journey in our digital business. I hope we give value to others there, not hindi man lahat, pero at least meron tayong isang taong ma-touch or ma-inspire, right?
Yun
Because
ang
we cannot help
importante.
everybody. And business opportunity is not for everybody, right? So, yeah, kung sino lang yung may gusto, it's okay. Kung wala naman, it's okay din. Yes.
I-plug ko lang yung aking isa yung nabanggit nga ni Grace na webinar. Nagkataon lang na itong coming Thursday mag-a-appear po ako sa live webinar. So kung gusto niyo mapanood ang aking testimonial, mag-sign up kayo at yeah,
Wow, so
let's
proud of
reach
you.
out.
This coming
Thank you.
Thursday, right?
Yeah.
You'll be in the webinar. Wow, guys, look at Joyce. She's leveling up. She will be in a panelist, live webinar panelist,
Abangan
guys.
natin. Sige.
Yes. And marami pang iba po. Mga 7 ata yan silang mga panelist. Okay? Thank you, sis, for
Thank you so much.
yeah, being with me tonight. And I really appreciate your time. Alam ko busy ka. And everybody, good night and enjoy your weekends. And God bless us all. Thank you for watching.
Thank
Bye for
you.
now.